Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Cassiopea in Earth, where our E has such an insanely low cooldown at 0.19 seconds that it's basically a machine gun. So level 1 we're pretty strong if our team can start fronting for us, wait for our Soraka. Whoa, that works if they just engage on us. I hate that they have a Maokai Eliona because the champs are just so like gross in Earth. But my champ's great at killing tanks, so it's fine. I'm gonna flash in and just like try to do more damage. Nice, he made Maokai into going in. Dude, my champ is disgusting as frick level 1. Wow, nobody ran with me. There was an angle there. Or if any of them tanked like a single tower shot, then I would just kill the rest of the enemy team there. Frick! It's all good though. Yeah, buying mana in Earth will give HP, that's why I have tier. I'm gonna be rushing Rylai's, Liandry's, Riftmaker, and Seraph's. Seraph's is so busted in Earth mana, it's so OP. Guess I'll buy more mana for HP. I'm playing Galio here. I like that he has CC, so that'll help ban Q. You can pretty much just take any fight early game, I think. You just like spam me and get Conqueror stacked, and it just does too much damage. It does even more damage when their Q is landed. You just spam these on the minions. I don't have to worry about mana, that's so nice. That is so nice. I used to play so much Cassiopea. She's really good right now. People are getting like challenger one tricking her, so top seems to be in a good spot. Just poison him up. That's what happens if you get in my range right there. Oh my. Perfect. Got it. Perfect. Good dive. Can I get this? Or is this in? They're about to respawn. Good ball. Get the play, Cassio. Alright, we got it. Alright, and we grounded him. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I hit. I have to dodge the next one. Or I'm dead. Well, I'm not dead. I'll have like 30 more HP. Tempting? No, I should back. I should back. I've done a lot of crazy plays today. I don't think you should do anymore at low HP. I've been a little too psycho with my gameplay today. Let's clean it up a bit. But right here I can go psycho. Should be able to kill them both. Oh wow, wait, I'm actually getting bursted. What the frig is this? Oh, I had to click up here. Wow, I didn't think I'd take that much damage. Damn. Oh, nice. We got him. And I don't really miss any XP here, so that's really good. Sweet! Alright, that was good death. We'll take that. Get all the XP. XP is king. Wait, 19 second E cooldown, man, it's so insane. Oh my god, the bushes, man. I can heal with E here off the wave. And then my ground zones them pretty hard. Alright, we can buy Rylai's running back for that. So I think a Roa too. I'll just have such an insane amount of HP this game. Man, I love Rylai's rush. Yeah, I'll do Rod of Ages. Frigga, dude. Get it stacking. We'll have so much HP from this item. As the mana gets converted into HP. Alright, well that's like all their flashes and stuff. Oh, so I think he would W me there. That's why he like flash ulted. He W's on this stun. Oh well, it's a short cooldown. We can try for stuff like that and it's fine. Earth is where it's okay to limit test. Thanks. This is such a bad dive that we're doing. my gosh. Or at least Leona got the kill. Why is Leona here? Also, I don't think we should like take that dive when Galio is such low HP. That was troll. Didn't need to force that one. Instead, we could just like rotate the drag or something. But it's all good. We got this. Okay, I'm ghosting in. I get stunned there. Oh, unfortunately, the Zerath is here to chaos. Oh, everybody's here. Yeah, nice. These Jin W's are so annoying. I have to like start trying to dodge them. I've been pretty lazy, not gonna lie. Oh, he flashed. Alright, time to pretend like this is the Olympics. I could have ulted him there when he W'd. Frick. Another close one. Sorry, we can just mash our E button. Don't need to land ults in Earth. Alright, now this is good dive. We're a lot of health here. Dude, like, why is their team coming down here? So lame. Oh, could have killed Jin if the Trinity didn't show up to interfere. But it's all good. We have Rylai's now. We can chase them down a lot easier. That's why this early game has been harder, because we don't have the Rylai slow to like keep in range of them and stuff. But it's alright. I'll be super duper tanky by investing in the Rod of Ages. Probably have 2,500 HP. Just gonna farm a Gromp. Oh, they have a wave. Oops. She's very annoying. I'm kind of 1v2 down here for a while. Alright, we're gonna land this sick ultimate soon, guys. Oh my gosh. The saplings. What the? There it is. Are you guys proud? Oh god! Oh nice, we got him. Bounty acquired, we can dive him too. It's tanky, right? Nice. Low Q cooldown, let us hit another Q. After we missed that other one. Right before it. Very OP. 80% haste is OP. Almost have 3,000 HP, dude. Holy crap. I should have like overgrowth with this build. But here's our runes. I don't think I went over them yet. It's either Cassiopea rune page with Conquer and Triumph, Tenacity, Cut Down. Cut Down's kind of bad since I'm buying so much HP. Dude, can I move? Like, damn, these champs are annoying. I just want to move and kill them, dude. See, 6 seconds of CC. Yeah, I hated like these people locked in Leona Maokai. It's just like, this champ's so gross in his mode. when they scale up with a few items. It's so tanky. Most tryhard tanks you could pick in this mode. Yeah, Cassia is like really good in this mode too. But yeah. So like, alright, if you want to see someone entire game and be tanky, you I guess. And I'm gonna go Rhythmaker Leandri's. Even more HP in the healing. Be nice. Oh, can do it. Oh. Should be able to take the tower here. I just have to not hit Maokai. What the? Tower still shot me. Okay, this is a bit old. So tanky. I need void staffs as well. This might be Rabadon's build. Nice. You CC'd so you can press R. Oh, he doesn't have that much MR yet. I thought he did. Just the Merc Treads. Leandri's will help out killing him then. A lot of extra bonus damage. Alright, they're getting Mountain Dragon. I'm getting Leandri's. We're scaling. How much HP I got, dude? It's insane. 3,000 and I'm a like DPS killing machine. And I have like a lot of sustain too. Oh, that's unfortunate. Well, he can't press Q because of my ground, so I win those. Shin is looking for me. Surprise. Damn, I melted him. Nice. Should I be Baron? Yeah, I'll do Baron. Why not? Things are off. Appreciate that, bud. Somebody come tank so I shred this thing, please. Any second now, somebody will step in front of me. Awesome. Alright. Yeah, I'll fight for fun, why not? What the? Leona's here now? Dude, I flick a turret. Like a freaking turret just with all this damage. Aw. I wanna try and flash on him there. To see what would happen. I need to farm one more wave for the Riftmaker. And I'll probably do Rabadon or Void Staff depending on if they buy MR. Wow, I didn't get the flash. After the EQ, he's bad. Wow, their auto attacks hurt a lot. Look. That's where they had 3 top, but alright. Alright, I guess. My bad. $4,000 HP. I think it's giving me 116 AP. Seraphs is giving unstoppable. An ally has been slain. 112. That's quite good. That would be really nice last item. But they're starting to buy some MR. I won't be able to kill their tanks if I don't go void staff here. Let's see if it goes. Oh, wow, he didn't get the move. Good. That entertained me. What's this guy doing? Get stunned. Get stunned, idiot. Do we want Cloud Dragon? Guys, what's the best nickname for Cloud Dragon? Is it Clown Dragon? Clout Dragon? Windrag? Etc. What do you call it? I like, rarely care about the dragon. Out of combat moon speed.
Keep your enemies close and me.
I guess we get to roam faster through the waves and stuff. I'll just keep on farming. Yeah, I'm gonna have like 5,000 HP by the end of this game because I'm still scaling with levels. Imagine if I had overgrowth this game, but instead I have like 57 AP, which is OP. What is he doing? I have the wave. What the? Interesting. I have a big wave here, so we can get a tower. I had to defend. My team chose to fight there. Dude, they're coming for me. Oh, fuck. Please. Oh my god. Dude, what is that damage? The fucking hell? That one Jin, like, I got autoed twice by Jin and it did that much damage? Dude, that's so gross. The fuck? 2 autos did like 2,500 damage. I didn't expect that at all. Oh well. That was gross as fuck. Alright, MR. 60 MR each. Oh yeah, I gotta go void. It's a void angle. Oh, we still have 680 AP without voids or without Rabadon. I guess I like could have swapped Rabadon for either Riftmaker or Rod of Ages this game. Everything else also is like kind of necessary to have. And Seraph's is busted in this because the shield is a shorter cooldown. Tank Galio. Wow, I still died. Fuck. We're getting outscaled. So yeah, the tank scaled and now they're just like really cringe and unkillable while ceasing. The enemy team like really wanted to win, I guess, when they drafted these champions. It must be so damn bad for a win to lock in these champions. Oh my goodness. I kinda didn't even know I had a Soraka. I haven't really seen him at all this game. Alright, well I shred them at least. It's going to stand still and Prezi. My DPS is insane. Really, really insane. I'm gonna have a lot of damage in this game, by the way. Oh gosh. Oh wow, he flashed into our base. And he's still so fast, what the fuck is that? CC him please. Dude, he was slowed by my rallies and he was still faster than me. Oh my god, man. How bad do you want to win? How bad do you need it, man? Ooh, I have 720 AP now. Oh shit. Okay. Let's go push mid, I guess. Maybe Soraka can defend that with Zerath. What? Champion has... Yone Champion has so much tenacity. We're CCing her so much and she just like gets out of it fast, I've noticed. Elixir's about to run out. We might need to defend Mer base some more. Lame. Is Zerath AFK? He's level 19. Which means I don't think he's done anything for a while and I've just noticed. Interesting. The fuck?
Do not turn your back on me.
Alright, well, let's see if we can win 4v5. Oh my god, dude. Oh, I did not mean to press that. I'm a machine gun man. Yo, I fucking base. I need to keep this turret healthy. Oh, I still got the Maokai, that's funny. I wasn't even hitting him anymore. Oh my god, our base, dude. We're holding it down. Oh, good, Zerath's back. Sion is alone. Oh my god, I can't be on this knot. Alright guys, gonna come to CC here, so I don't get CC'd for 8,000 years. That'll be nice. Oh, never mind, he missed. Alrighty then. Oh, good try. Oh, wait, no, he still got me. Wait a second. Never mind, he's good. Yeah, we have to, like, keep picking them off one by one. Oh my god, I'm getting carpal tunnel. It's starting to happen, guys. Ah, my hand hurts. Oh my god, don't auto me. 1600 damage auto, I have 175 armor. That's ridiculous as fuck. Oh, how do you get his ult off there? What? Oh my gosh. Oh nice, I got Tryndamere. Die, Jin, die! Oh, let's go. Zerath is cleaning up our base. Can win. We can freaking win, man. Dude, look how much gold I have. Yeah, sure we can get Baron, because if they ever get this, then we just lose with no inhibs. Alright. And then we need to, like, push it out too. Let's see if we can just, like, fight with this next wave. Our next wave is off the map. Zerath just keeps defending. And we're Gucci. Guess I'll back for an elixir. Oh, Mastery's trying to end. He's my Baron recall. Let's go buy elixir. Be as strong as it can be. Since our team's not ready to like push. I guess they needed the back for some reason. Alright, where do I want to go? Probably the red buff.
Wealth is valuable only as a means to power.
Dude, I can't believe I have this much AP without a Rabadon. It's so insane. wait, our Soraka is solo side lane? That's interesting. My hands, they're exploding. I have 2 ammo for this shit, man. Fuck. Oh, he's only on our base. I have to stay close to our base, unfortunately. Oh, it's better to play for kills to stay in the game, I think. Oh my god, he's so fast. Oh my god, seriously. You can kill him. There's nowhere to run. Let's end this. Ah, nice looking snare. Yeah, I don't think he can end. Team's got this. Trinimir's alive. I just press R when he's in. Oh, look at these autos on the turrets. Oh, Trinimir's backdooring too. Base race. Can't think the turrets. I don't really care. Maybe I should care. Oh my god. Dude, Trinimir ult so busted. I can't kill him. Fuck. Oh no, I might have lost. Or Estriel split pushing, man. Need to be grouped. Oh, Soraka is so tanky. Whoa. Oh my god. I mean, they're wasting a lot of time, which is good. Well, that's what's finally here, but I mean, he doesn't have Blade King, so he's useless. First deadest build ever for killing tanks. Oh, everyone's dead. No. Damn, I got 11,000 gold. That's insane. Oh, I lost the Baron AP. Oh, I just spawned this. I didn't really get a chance to. Wow, you flash go sit away. Wait, why? What? What the fuck? I did not even mean to get into the Rift Herald, by the way. I don't have anti-heal. Oh, fuck me. Oh my god, he's going for the win like a cringer, bro. He's never won a game in his life. No. That's pretty lame. He's freaking invulnerable, man. Dude, enemy comp makes it look like they would have win so freaking bad. I think they're drafting for the Olympics, man. Alright, well, GG's. That was fun. We got super late game on Cassio, so I had fun. We got level 30, dude. We had so much freaking HP. And we did so much damage. 100,000. 111,000. Or 110,000, I mean, sorry. It's late. 6 AM. About to go to bed. Holy. I also had like a lot of healing from items and runes. Let's see how much healing we had. It's not gonna be like that Maokai healing we just saw. Oh shit, so busted, man. I needed him Morello just for Maokai, it's so lame. Healing is so OP. Okay, I healed for 25,000. That's a lot. That's close to the Maokai healing. So healing is 60,000. Damn. I think 70,000 damage. Alright guys, that was the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please body the like button, subscribe if you did the content. And thank you so much for watching. That was Cassiopea and Earth with no cooldown, and I hope you enjoyed. Peace!